We now have an official date for the release of One UI 7. The update is set to arrive on April 7th. Initially, it will be available for the Galaxy S24 series, which includes the Ultra model, the Plus model, the Base model, and also the FE model. In this first phase, the Galaxy S23 series will also get the update covering the Ultra Plus and Base models as well as the FE model. Additionally, the foldable devices will be among the first to receive this update, including the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Z Flip 5, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 5. As for tablets, the Galaxy Tab S9 and the Galaxy Tab S10 are also set to receive it. However, in this instance, the FE models are not mentioned, but do keep in mind that these are the initial devices to get the update. Nevertheless, in the following weeks, other devices will start receiving this update, which is packed with new features. For instance, the Writing Assist function, which enables you to compose various texts using artificial intelligence, will be available. The Galaxy S23 will be available for this entire catalog of devices that I mentioned, as well as the drawing function with artificial intelligence. However, the audio eraser function, which allows you to modify the audio in separate channels of your videos, for example, to remove background noise or to remove the music that was playing in the background or enhance the voices, will be available only for the entire series Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Tab S10. Unfortunately, the Galaxy S23 will not be getting this feature. It's important to remember that this depends on the processor's power, as it doesn't operate in the cloud. Samsung has integrated everything directly on the device. Thus, the Galaxy S23 series processors may not have the necessary capabilities. However, the rest of the new features will at least be available for this device. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you would be interested in seeing a video where I show the update on the different generations of these devices to discover what's new.